Welcome friends, I am Haseen Alam and you are watching TechSoon YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to find name and location of any number and how to record voice calls. Click to open Play Store and search here for Show Caller ID. Check out same logo and then click to install. Now click to open and then click here on get started. Click on got it. Click here on allow and allow again. Click here on go to settings. Click to turn on for allow permission. Now click here for searching unknown number details. Enter phone number here for searching name and location. Then click on search icon. Now here showing me complete details about this number. Now you can search here any country number. Just enter country code and number. For best result, you must have to connect it your mobile phone to Wi-Fi. Enter phone number here which one you want to research name and location. I just check out random numbers and here show me complete details. Enter number which one you want to find name and location. Then click on search icon. Enter phone number here for searching name and location. Now here showing me complete details about this number. With this app, you can also record your voice calls. Click on 3 lines and then click here on call recorder. Click here on setting icon. Click here for enable call recorder. Select here auto record strange calls and then click on OK. Click here on allow and allow again. Click here on automatic recording all calls. Now you can record your all voice calls. With this app, you can check unknown numbers' name, location, and also record your voice calls. If you like this video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.